Good morning, it's Diane at So Charming Quilts, and I am here to show you the last part of block construction for our Pearl Stars, which is our January calendar quilt from Robert Kaufman. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make the 4 corner pieces that go on the quilt. We've made all of our blocks so far. We've done our side setting blocks, and yesterday in my video I told you that we would be making 8 of these and 4 of these. There's actually only 2 of these. I made a mistake when I told you the number, so there's 8 and 2. Now we've got 4 left to make, and I wanted to talk real quick. When we constructed our half square triangles, I had you press all of the seams to the dark side. But in order for these to nest and make a nice neat seam, I did take one of them and I pressed my seam the opposite direction so that when I actually go to sew these together, they do nest. So that's the first step that I'm going to do for you today. We're going to sew those half square triangles together. Remember, we're using a 1/4 inch seam throughout our project. And then I'm going to go ahead and sew the top 2 triangles together. I like to chain piece while I'm working on my project. And then I'm going to go back and I'm going to add, so here's my block, I'm going to go back and add my triangles to the corner. Once I have those completed, I'll take it to my cutting station, I'll trim those dog ears off, and then I'll do some pressing. Now here's my partially completed block. Notice that I've pressed on one row my seams going in one direction, and in my second row I've pressed my seams in the opposite direction. That just helps that nest together nice and neat when I'm actually sewing it. The final step is to add our bottom sashing piece. And the direction said to press this in one direction. Again, I found that I like to press it open. It made that center seam just a little bit less bulky. So here is actually what the block looks like, and you will be making 4 of these to complete our quilt. Join me later today, and I will actually be laying all of the pieces out for our Pearl Stars and show you the sashing and the construction of our final quilt. Thank you.